Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workbook and placing a container where you need it. This is the first actionable step. Open the dashboard, add a floating horizontal or vertical container, and size it roughly to your target. Once done, drag one visualization into the container to anchor layout behavior. Make sure to choose floating when you need pixel control versus tiled if you want autofit. These choices affect how elements reflow as users resize dashboards. Next, populate the container with sheets, images, and text objects so the composition reads correctly. You control both order and alignment. You should set padding and item alignment within the container to avoid overlap, and decide which items get fixed sizes. Once items are in place, use the container menu to toggle fit behaviors and stacking order. Because Tableau renders container rules in sequence, and that determines which elements grow or truncate on smaller screens. Finish by testing across device layouts and interactive window sizes. This confirms your container behaves as intended. Make final adjustments. Lock positions when you want static placement, or set minimum widths and heights to prevent collapse. If something goes wrong, inspect whether objects are floating or tiled and review Z-order. Often misalignment stems from an unintended float or overlapping fixed-size item. Save a version copy so you can revert if a layout tweak breaks other dashboard areas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.